he's in the toy box. So let's show our first thing. Let's do the surprise mystery for the popcorn.
Oh, what is it?
You can take it in and out. You can take it in or out. And you put it in, it looks better.
What do we got in our toy box, Ethan? A bunch of what?
Squishies.
Squishies. Does that squish?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Squish is real good, huh?
Psst.
What?
Stand
I won't.
up.
So now let's do the giant. A giant.
Okay, let's see what we got.
The giant panda.
Oh, he looks like an egg. Now he don't squish, does he?
Yeah. I have to stand up since he's so big.
Let's see him. Let me see him. Oh my goodness. Oh, he is a squishy.
And then the hamster.
Oh, I love the hamster.
Somebody help.
I think he might be my favorite.
Okay, let's do this. What? Wait. There's no way to get him open. What the? I think he's a long count. Girl.
Look how cute. Look. Where is he? Look how cute he is.
Put him with the popcorn.
I love his little eyes.
Put him with the popcorn.
Little chubby
He's eating popcorn.
hamster. All right, next.
Little milk.
Strawberry milk. Ah, delicious.
Normal milk.
Let me see. Alright, so here's the squishy.
Wait!
And we bought a bunch of squishies on Wish, so they finally all came in. So
Wait, look!
a strawberry.
What's up? What? You can hang
So we have strawberry milk and a strawberry squishy.
Jordan, here, grab that. Now the giant peanut. Let's do this.
And you got the
Let's see if we can do him.
popcorn.
The giant peanut, here it
Let's
comes.
see him.
Incoming, the giant peanut.
That is a huge peanut. Look at this thing. It kind of looks like a circus peanut.
Yeah. And then the gummy bear.
Oh, it's a little blue gummy bear. Put the peanut.
He's a tiny squish.
Is he? Wait, show him how you squish him. Little squishies.
Yeah,
Oop.
he's a fast rise.
Yeah, he's pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, he's a fast rise.
There's the little blue one. Okay, next. Next.
No, he's a fast rise. Now do this bear. See, look at this one. Oh, this one's a slow rise.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, slow rise. What? It's already open.
Well, let's see.
I'm trying to get him out. Pause the camera if you want to see Pokemon. If you want to see my Pokemon videos.
Here.
Look, he's a slow rise.
He's cute.
Look, you can sit down.
Oh,
Look, he sits down.
so cute.
He's a little kitty cat.
He is. Let's see.
A bread cookie kitty cat.
He does look like bread. Very cute. He's like Loaf Cat.
We all are Terry.
Let me know if you guys know who Loaf Cat is.
And then another. Let's back the panda in. What? This is already open too.
Good.
Oh, it has a dirty back too.
A dirty back.
Look.
And he's brand new. Quality control.
I'm trying to get him out.
Is he sticking to the baggie?
Yeah.
Did you get him?
Look, there's a hole right there.
Alright, let's see.
Squishy squish.
Here's a little panda. He looks like a little
We got two of them!
panda mochi.
Two of them!
We got two of the same one? Oh,
Yeah.
good. We got two panda mochis.
We got two of them. Let's open the next one. What? You can have all the panda ones.
I can?
No, they're mine.
Well, fun.
I was just kidding. Ah. Whoa! They glue them! No! Now I messed up the bag.
That's okay. Oh, they did. That's what's going on. Look at the glue. Anyway, there's our other panda.
Double of these, but with different faces.
So 2 of them. Now let's see.
Let's do the happy one first. Now. Whoa, it's upside down. I think it's supposed to come that way, no? Whoa, it's a fast ride too.
Let's see what he does.
That's a fast ride.
Oh, it feels totally different. It's a little stiffer.
It's a fast ride.
Is that
They're
like...
both fast rides.
It's really cute.
They're both fast rides.
Yeah.
Take the sad one out.
Oh,
It's a sad one.
poor
It's a
little
sad
baby.
version. Look, there it is trying to cry. There it is crying. And here it is. Then here it is happy. Look, it's drooling too. Ugh, that's disgusting.
It is.
Yeah, it's drooling. Now I gotta mess up the bag again. Get out, little brother. Get out.
There they are.
Now we got like.
Oh, this one's like a little bear. Where the other one's...
do
He's
the-
softer. This one's...
Look, let's do the broken one, guys.
Broken?
Yep.
What's broken?
This one.
Oh,
They broke it on us.
no. His eyeball stuck.
Why broke it?
That's okay. He stuck to the bag. You couldn't help that. Man,
The Fairfield comes.
these little mochi ones really,
Why I didn't see this one in there?
really stick to the
Did
bag.
you see this one in there? A popsicle.
Right.
And it's a slow rise.
Let me see him. A popsicle. So cute. Look at the little popsicle.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. A pig heart. Pig heart.
A piggy heart.
Yep. How can they mix a pig and a heart together?
I don't know. Maybe they thought it would be cute.
That is so crazy. That is crazy. That is super crazy.
Let's see it.
Ah!
Is it hard to... It's got a little dirt on it too, huh? Well, that's alright. I guess you can't expect much
Guys, it's
cheap
an
little
Extreme
Wish
Kid one.
Squishies.
We ain't going to do a video on it.
Here, let's see it.
Nope. It ain't.
Ethan.
Extreme Kid one.
There's no such thing.
A donut.
A donut?
Yeah.
Look at all this stuff. They're really cute, though. They may not be like the
You showed
most
the whoa!
fancy ones, but they're really cute.
But it breaks. It's easy. You gotta be easy on it.
Oh, you're losing sprinkles. Look at
Yeah.
all your sprinkles are coming off.
Don't get that one.
Looks like grass, kind of.
Finally. The Extreme Kids one.
A smiley face.
No, yeah, that's an Extreme Kid. That is from the bad guys that tries to blow
You
up
do
you.
still have more in there.
What?
There's more in the box.
Yeah, but look at this. It's a fast ride.
Ooh, cool. Let me see.
An Extreme Kids one. Throw this in the
It's
floor.
like a button. Boop, boop.
I'm throwing all this, the trash in the floor.
That's fine. Next.
Graham cracker. I just don't know the food they're gonna win or the little these.
We'll
And
have
the
to,
popcorn is part of these.
we got to be thinking of which ones we like the best.
I like the popcorn.
Do you?
Yes.
All right. Which one?
Popcorn.
You putting it in the barrel?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's easy. Put it on the end. I don't mind. I don't care if you put it on the end.
And here's our little cracker. Whoop, got a little graham cracker.
Well, that's a lot. So far, we got 2 left.
Here, we'll give it to the hamster.
No! The milk!
Oh, the milk gets the cracker? Why?
Because it does. Ice cream. Oh no, dang! They just sent us the top. The dumpling.
Yeah, he thought it was ice cream, but it's actually just a little dumpling.
I'll just call it ice cream.
It's a dumpling like our little bow over here.
What? They sent us the top of the ice cream. It's ice cream. Look.
Oh, I see.
It's ice cream. If it's swirl, it's ice cream. If it's not swirl, it's dumpling.
I think it's a dumpling.
But it's ice cream.
Oh, well, whatever.
What?
Okay,
Why?
what else you got?
The cookie.
The last one is this little pink cookie. Show it to him.
The hamster can have the cookie.
Oh, little hamster can have the cookie. Okay, Ethan, which squishy of these for today's video is your favorite? Popcorn? What's your second favorite? Is it strawberry? Okay, my favorite is the hamster.
And the milk, and the milk, and the graham.
The hamster is my favorite, and the dumpling is my second favorite.
No, it's ice cream.
It's a dumpling. And I really like the
and
peanut.
And the peanut, and the panda.
They're all cool, but
these are my favorites.
those are Biddy's favorites. Okay, and then this and this is Mommy's favorite. Whoop, it looks like he's tooted up the dumpling.
Well, I took all of them laughing.
Biddy loves all of them. Sorry, you can see our laundry back here.
I stole yours. Okay.
All right. What do you tell them?
Bye. Subscribe to Ethan's Toy Box.
And
And
we'll
you'll see you on the next video. Bye. Ho, ho, ho. Welcome back to Ethan's Toy Box.
Okay.
Today we got this. We're going to open.
Okay. We decided, since I got this dumpling,
Yeah, let's open this.
that I was going to let Ethan quit my little figure that I collected.
And open it
My little
up.
bow, my little dumpling.
And get him
We're
out.
going to open him up very, very gently.
Why?
Here, you hold the camera, baby.
Okay. Okay.
Take our little
Woo!
ketchup,
Woo, woo, woo.
little dumpling. Alright, let's compare. I told you dumplings had a swirly head. So, here's our little dumpling figure. He is so cute.
He's mine.
No. Mommy collects a few toys. This happens to be one of them.
I want one.
Well, they're super hard to find. Well, not super hard. You can still find them, but they're a little pricey for a Funko Pop. But I love this little short. I thought it was super cute.
He's mine.
Biddy liked it too. It was really cute. And now let's compare them. Put the two dumplings side by side. Okay. Let us know in the comments which dumpling is your favorite.
My dumpling is this one.
That's my favorite too. And look how
Why
cute.
not this one?
I love the box. It's a little steamer.
Why
Okay.
not this one?
Anyway, we're going to tell you goodbye again. Wait, Ethan, sit still. So, we will see you next video. Thank you. Bye. Ethan, tell him bye-bye.
Bye.
You lost in the forest.
On the way out.
We're going to eat Thanksgiving dinner at your grandpa's house.
Go that way.
It's a turkey gobble gobble day.
It's turkey gobble gobble day. Yay!